Okay, today this video we will review the snipping tool that comes with Windows 10. Actually, it's been around longer. It was also with the Vista and Windows 8. First, it's very important to have a document open before we pull up the snipping tool. Now, on this PDF, I'm going to grab a little rectangular piece of it. So we go down to the search bar, and as you can see up above, you could click on Snipping Tool if you have it up, or you type in Snipping Tool, and you engage Snipping Tool. Now, the first thing we want to do is go to Mode. Now, there are 4 modes. The one we're going to use is the rectangular. That's what I use most of the time. So once we click on rectangular, the screen will change, and now we will make our rectangle. We'll start at the top edge of that blue corner right there and make us a rectangle. We pop it into the snipping tool, and we're going to copy that. You can go Control C or hit the little copy icon, minimize that, and then what we will do is open a document in whatever kind of program you're going to use, and we're going to Control V and drop it into the document. Okay, so there it is. It's in my my document, and what I will do here is, well, actually, it's fine just the way it is. We're going to minimize this in a moment. So I'm going to turn off that. Go to our snipping tool. We can save that, or you can just let it go. I'm going to let it go. So I don't save. And then you can go back to your document, do what you need to do. This is only a sample, so I'm not going to keep it. So that's how we use the snipping tool. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll get you a video every Friday if you ring the bell. Okay? Have a good weekend.